Hi everyone. So a lot of you have been asking me in DMs to recommend you skincare products. What I can do is I can help you understand the things that you need to know to build an effective skincare routine for yourself. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1 is to know your skin type. There are four skin types. You need to know in which category your skin type falls. So there's dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and sensitive skin. I have an oily, acne prone, sensitive skin. If you can see, it's always shining. All areas of my face are always shining, and I also get acne. So my skin type is acne prone, oily skin. Like that, you can also figure out what is your skin type. That's the first thing that will help you understand what products you need to use. Number two is the cleansing routine. Cleansing routine is the first basic foundation step. I've already done another video on double cleansing. You can find it in my videos. So you can do cleansing with the help of an oil cleanser or a micellar water, and then you can use any face wash that works for your skin type. So after cleansing, the second thing that you need to know is moisturizing. So use any moisturizer that works for your skin type. For my skin, I use like these two moisturizers. Moisturizer is an important step even if you think your skin is oily. Moisturizer is hydration and water that your skin needs to stay plump and hydrated. Third step is to protect your skin. And how do you protect your skin? By using a sunscreen. So whatever your skin type, you need to use sunscreen religiously. The next thing is under eye care. You need a good eye cream or a eye product basis the concern dark circles, puffy eyes, or aging skin. So get yourself a good under eye product, and also get yourself these patches to use regularly. Some extra hydration for your under eye areas. The next thing you need to get concern specific treatment for your face. So it could be serums, toner, dark spot reduction cream, but that is basis the concern that you have. If you want to brighten your skin, then you need vitamin C products. If your skin is aging, then you need a retinol based serum or a night cream. Apart from that, you need to also do exfoliation. Your skin needs to exfoliate, the dead skin needs to get away. So for that, you can build like a once a week or once a month kind of a routine. I use this liquid peel from the Body Shop. It's gentle and exfoliating. I also use this AHA BHA peel from the Ordinary once a month. Apart from this, very important, you need to listen to your skin. If you apply a particular product and you feel different, if you see how it affects your skin the next day, you need to really pay attention. Any product might cause you dryness, or might cause breakouts, or might cause irritation. You need to stop using them, or consider like an alternative. Always do a patch test of the products that you want to use. It is recommended. These are the things that you need to remember. I'm gonna say them once again. So number one, know your skin type. Number two, cleansing. Number three, moisturizing. Number four, protecting. Number five, eye care. Number six, any specific skin concern treatment. Number seven, exfoliation. And number eight, listening to your skin regularly and changing the products accordingly. I hope this information was helpful, and these are the things that you need to do to build an effective skincare routine for yourself. If you have any specific queries, please let me know in the comment box below and I'll answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.